Coffee is an integral part of daily lives. The work of producers is reflected in every cup of coffee. Nestlé Toluka Cafés is the largest soluble coffee factory in the world. Every hour, we manufacture approximately 50,000 jars of soluble coffee. A power failure for the factory hits our processes hard. My main concerns were unplanned shutdowns, knowing the health of my equipment, and knowing the continuity of my process. By monitoring the health of the equipment in real time with a digital-enabled service plan, I can anticipate failures and perform maintenance only when needed. The electrical fire and health indexes, powered by advanced analytics, help reduce electrical failures. It's a very practical tool. RM6 medium voltage panels, Square D low voltage switchboards, and transformers are connected to EcoStruxure IoT platform and monitored by Schneider Electric in order to deal with the emergency and not cause a major failure. When a default is detected, I receive an alert by Schneider Electric. When we started the monitoring, we immediately detected a fault spot, allowing us to plan a maintenance intervention. Coffee is a valued product. Uptime means knowing all families will have a cup of coffee in the morning.